Yeah, I saw it in a picture, a magazine, and I said, Matt, can you find that gun for me? I want to get it. He's like, are you sure? And I'm like, sure.
It's a hell of a gun.
Nice. She's pretty. I call her Chloe. Matt's getting ready to shoot Tannerite. I'm going to do this last video and stay in bed with the kids because they are losing it now. They're like all over in 3 different corners.
Gun shy dog.
Ooh, let me come over here. Should I put on some glasses? Stuff's gonna fly.
You'll be fine.
Let me come over here.
That's just a little one. Yeah.
Oh, it is?
That's just a little one, and it's not that big of a boom.
Okay.
Do the 2-pound one.
Alright, we got a Mossberg 308 and what's that, a 1/4 pound of Tannerite or whatever.
Whoa! Holy shit! Oh my god!
I think the sights are good, man.